Kibamba is before Kibaha.
Yes, before Kibaha.
Here. Did you go with 50?
Here you can drive as much as you want.
Yeah, but there, did you drive with 50?
See someone with a white, from distance, if he's got a white shirt.
Look at the church.
Like,
look how many people in the church. Wow.
Yeah, if you see, there's a
massive congress, I think.
Yeah, no, it's just a church. They're doing what we call
evangelism.
Yeah, evangelism. Mamposa. Is that Mamposa? How are you Mamposa?
What is it?
Prophet and whatnot. Yeah.
So there's going to be a special guest or what?
No, the one who is evangelizing there is calling himself prophet. Right. So everybody knows who's everybody knows him.
Call him Lusekela.
Yeah, there's one famous pastor.
If he has a Baba, he will take everybody straight to heaven, you know? I'm not putting down. Can you imagine yourself preaching?
Yeah, I can preach. I think there were police over there. And was it 50 here or 58? Komba. This is Komba. So this is like a motorway. They have for some reason they have traffic lights. For what reason?
Yeah, because here is a town, there are little place. That's why there are people there.
Nice. Yeah, so on the way we'll pass, on the way back we'll pass my plot there, and I need to clean up my plot because it's a very, very long time since I've been there. They hide inside. You see that banda there?
Yeah.
But sometimes they hide inside the vehicle, and then they take your speed, and then before you know it, they stop you. Even a few kilometers away, somebody stops you and show you. Look at the speed you are going. Oh, and you have to pay a fine. So you gotta be careful. battered. Bonde kunyama. It's like hundreds of kilometers of rough road. Is that a back door?
Stop now.
Oh yeah, Prado is getting battered. The king of road. The off-road king is getting battered. Oh!
Cigares que no.
Oh yeah. Yeah? Yeah. Ah, kidogo bana. Kidogo. Yeah.
Hey, what is she carrying?
The bicycle is
Bicycle! Oh my God, he was carrying all this on a bike.
Yes. They're carrying a lot.
Jesus, so what are you going to do now?
Another car would be broken by now, eh? But this off-road king once more. Eh?
Chicken babies. Do you like the chicken babies? But don't go close to the mama, because the mama of the babies is sometimes very, very naughty. She can start running after you. They are going to run after you because they are scared. They are scared of the child.
Prado is going up, 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 up. All right.
Because I feel
Huh? We're going to eat some nice food. Cow. You know that cow?
look at the cows. They even have a baby there. Look, look, look. And the doggy is looking after them. Did you see the baby?
The baby cow.
And big cows.
How is baby cow called?
Baby cow.
Baby cow. How do you call baby cow?
Yes, baby cow.
Calf.
How do you call baby cow?
Yes, baby cow. Baby cow.
A
baby
calf.
Cow. We call the baby cow, we call it cow.
Baby cow one.
And how do we call
Unafanya nini?
Sheepy.
Solwa. We've just stopped at Solwa to get some food. Eat.
Hello. Hello.
Enjoying yourself, eh?
Hello.
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 Enjoying yourself? Hmm?